beginner's guide to Instagram Reels. So if you want to make Instagram Reels, then it's similar to TikTok Reels. If you've used your TikTok before, then you will be able to easily use your Instagram Reels. So what you can do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, on the bottom you will have the plus option. You can tap on the plus option, which is on the bottom middle, and from here you can select Reel. You'll have Story, Post. So just go with the Reel section and tap on Camera, which is on the top left, or you will also have templates. You can tap on templates in order to have some templates, or I'll just simply go with camera. Now once you're here with the camera section, you just need simply swipe to have some filters, to add some filters, and once you're done with the filters, you need to tap on the circle, the big circle which is on the bottom middle, to record your video. After recording, you will have this kind of interface. You will have your reel. You can just simply go with edit video, which is on the bottom left, and then you'll be able to edit your video. You will have add clips, edit, add audio, add your text, your stickers, your voiceover. You can add anything. After editing, you can go with the arrow which is on the top right, and after that go with a caption, tag people if you want to, and then go with share, and your reel will be posted. In this way, you'll be able to make reels on Instagram, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.